Now, the centre has formed an interministerial panel there to coordinate a probe into allegations of money laundering, tax violations and illicit foreign funds for several Gandhi family controlled trusts. A special director of Enforcement Directorate will now lead the high-powered panel there, the probe panel. Earlier, the BJP accused Sonia Gandhi led Rajiv Gandhi Foundation of accepting funds from Chinese Communist Party. The panel will probe allegations against several Gandhi family controlled trusts like Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust and Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. Last month, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad alleged that the link between China and these trusts accused of getting funds there. The trusts are accused of getting funds from both the Chinese government and the Chinese embassy into India.
The trade deficit between China and India, because of all this lobbying by the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, after they received a bribe from the Chinese embassy, and the way they comprehensively campaigned for free flow of FTA in all respects, showed this great rise. कांग्रेस पार्टी जवाब दे कि चीन के साथ इतना प्रेम क्यों मर गया था कि पार्टी के साथ एमओयू हो रहा है, राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन को चाइनीज एम्बेसी पैसे दे रही है और आपके द्वारा इंडो चाइना की एक स्पेशल स्टडी की जा रही है.
Let's quickly cut across to Kamalji joining us for more on this. Kamalji, this is huge allegation and a probe now being initiated into all the trusts belonging to the Gandhi family, including the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. A special director now of the Enforcement Directorate to lead this high-powered probe panel accusing the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation of accepting funds from the Chinese Communist Party to push the Chinese agenda in India.
In a sense, the government has put up pressure on Congress party, especially in regards to three of their particular trusts, the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, the Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust and the Indira Gandhi Memorial. So very clearly, they're saying there are three different sort of investigations. One is the PMLA, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the income tax, the FCRA, which is directly under Home Ministry. Special Director ED is going to look into all these particular charges. Now, remember, Congress party has been crying vendetta for quite some time, but this is a formal probe and this may be dating back at least 15 years. But the fact is, if it is substantiated and if there are skeletons in the cupboard, it needs to be probed. This is where the government has a right to actually investigate all sort of allegations and charges. The fact is, the ball is now in Congress's court. Now, will they call this vendetta? Will they agree for this investigation or will they actually approach the court? Now, there are many legal luminaries that are in Congress party, but clearly at this point of time, there have been charges which have been trading by Congress on BJP, the BJP on Congress party. But with this particular formal probe being launched under Special Director ED, remember, pressure will mount on Congress party. They'll have to go into a defensive mode. Or they will have, they'll have their luminaries calling it a political vendetta. But very clearly, questions being now raised by the BJP, and the Congress needs to answer some of those tough questions.
But Kamaljeet, we just heard what Ravi Shankar Prasad had to say. Itna pyar kyun Cheen se? The kind of links accused, in fact, the Congress party being accused of having links with China to that extent. Currently, we're looking at an India-China standoff, and this probe, as well as the allegations, are quite significant.
See, these allegations are not news. This is something BJP has been raising and countering the Congress party, especially since Rahul Gandhi had been raising the Indo-China standoff issue, pressurizing the government. But when this interministerial group is found, special under the special ED director, very clearly this is an approach to formally take this forward and not just keep it at the level of allegation. This is obviously much more serious, and if there is something which is found, especially in any of the three angles, the PMLA, the FCRA or income tax, this is where the Congress party will really need to have a face saver of sorts. But first of all, we need to know as to what the terms of reference of this particular committee is and how soon will a formal probe be launched. Several parties, including the Congress, is expected to give a reaction very shortly.
Right. Kamalji, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Some serious allegations here and now a formal probe by the ED as well into the matter.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.